along to this Funlings Cars competition. The cars will start at the top, race down the track and try to cross the finish line first. To help us judge, we have Professor Funling. Hello, I don't have a car yet, but I'm happy to judge. Okay, so let's get ready to race.
Up first is Chef Funling against King Funling.
Ready, go!
Oh no, Chef Funling has fallen off, so it's an easy win for King Funling. Next, it's Fix-It Funling versus Vampire Funling.
Ready, go!
Oh, nobody's crossed the line, so who's won?
Well, Vampire Funling was about to win, but Fix-It Funling blocked him, so Vampire Funling should go through.
Now, it's Super Funling against Rascal Funling.
Ready, go!
Oh, Rascal Funling was fast then, so it's through to the next round. Next, it's Fairy Funling versus Robot Funling.
Ready, go!
Fairy Funling has won this race. Magic race now, Witch Funling against Wizard Funling.
Ready, go!
Wizard Funling crashed, so Witch Funling wins. Finally, it's Driver Funling versus Rockstar Funling.
Ready, go!
Rockstar Funling hasn't crossed the line, but got closer than Driver Funling, so is last through.
So here are the cars that made it through. Who do you want to win?
Up first is King Funling against Vampire Funling.
Ready, go!
Vampire Funling crashed, so King Funling goes through. Next, it's Rascal Funling versus Fairy Funling.
Ready, go!
Oh no, Rascal Funling has fallen off, so Fairy Funling wins. Finally, it's Rockstar Funling against Witch Funling.
Ready, go!
Ah, Witch Funling was fast, so is last through.
So these cars made it. Wait a second. How can we race with 3 cars? Professor Funling? I don't know. Wait a second. This is the perfect job for Robot Funling. Each racer will race against each other. Whoever loses both races will be eliminated. Yeah, that works.
Up first is Fairy Funling versus King Funling.
Ready, go!
Ah, King Funling crashed, so Fairy Funling won. Next, it's King Funling against Witch Funling.
Ready, go!
Witch Funling has won, so King Funling is eliminated.
So, this is it. The final between Witch Funling and Fairy Funling. One race, one winner. But who will it be?
Ready, go!
Ah, Witch Funling crashed.
So Fairy Funling is the winner! Well done!